I can break it
Hello, good morning, Jai Jagannath, and Happy New Year to everyone, to the Wisdom family. So, today is a new day and a new beginning of this new year. And today something very special is going to happen. And my bike is all set. I'm here at Bhadrak right now, and I'll be leaving to Chandikhol. I'll be joining with my colleagues, my friends, and then we'll ride to Bhubaneswar. And in Bhubaneswar we'll see something very interesting thing is going to happen. And so to watch it, stay tuned, and let's ride. Let's rock and roll. So we have reached Chandikhol right now, and here is our bikes. And the Z900 is over there. So some connection is going over here. Vinayak bhai is doing, setting up the connection of our intercom. So we are leaving Chandikhol. As you can see, I am riding Vinayak bhai's bike, and Vinayak bhai is on my bike, and here we go. So these are the two bikes. You can see the same exact things are installed, the lights and everything. And I will be changing the mirror after some days, and this is a pretty good setup. You can see this Royal Enfield mirrors. These are anti-glare mirrors, and we'll be having this one installed over here. And as you can see, I will be having like the pretty same exact aftermarket accessories. So Z900. Bhai, oh my god. You can just see it had a fall. This panel is going to be replaced. I guess this panel is going to cost 14,000 for this panel, and it was like kept in house, and it had a fall. Just this. Might be the frame sliders could have saved, but anyways. So let's go. We are already late. So here comes our Om bhai, the adventure rider, adventure Om. So guys, we are waiting over here in Jagatpur. This is the famous Mahanadi Bridge. The famous Mahanadi Bridge, and as you guys are aware of the thumbnail, that we are heading to Kawasaki showroom, and we will be having a delivery of our Malay bhai's bike, that is Versus 650, and it is a really good day for him and for our group as well. And I'm sorry I couldn't introduce my sister Shivani Mohanty, and she is joining me for this ride. And yeah, that's all for this time, and please stay tuned. So here comes the Bhubaneswar Kawasaki showroom.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Versus 650 that is over there, and this is the W800. So the problem with this showroom is just one thing, that whenever we come here I feel like booking another one. Believe me, the adrenaline rush that we have after coming to these kind of showrooms, that definitely gonna book this. But anyway, we have to control our instincts or whatever we say, and to control it we have just took a new delivery. We have to wait, and for sure we're gonna have some good super bikes in future, that is for sure, undoubtedly, that is for sure. So this is the Versus 1000. Bhai केमिति लागु जेटा भाई केमिति लागु जेटा
बढ़िया
हां बढ़िया ने एक टिके अलगा टिके व्यूज दियो
माने पूरा ये होची जेट स्की हो रास्ता रो माने रोड रो जेट स्की
या कॉस्ट केते आसे तो निंजा से 1000 से तो सेम ना ना टिके अधिक आस्तो 12 लाख 50 accessories so this will be like I'm not sure about, I'm giving the approximately what we have we are guessing right now, so around 12 lakhs 50, right? 12 lakhs 50 or 13 lakhs. So we're gonna sit on this 1000 Versus. Beautiful. Bulky.
It's bulky.
Comfortable. Comfy. Very easy to ride. If time permits, not today, in future, we're gonna ride this. Both comfortable. Too much comfortable. कितने यारो माइलेज कितना
माइलेज
कितना देती है?
छाड़ना से क्वेश्चन ना भूल जाती है, रॉन्ग क्वेश्चन एंड का क्वेश्चन पर स्प्लेंडर क्यों चला गया माइलेज
सीसी है जो बता रहा
टॉप स्पीड बता रही हो
एक्चुअली हमारा पहचान हो जी कितना देती है डजंट मैटर हाउ मच यू आर, कितना देती है
हमारे 15 बिलो
15 में
चढ़ियो ना चढ़ियो
15 में चढ़े
हमारा टैंक रेंज दरकार
पैसे बहुत है
बहुत पैसा है बाइक के पास
थैंक यू भाई This beautiful red roses. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna faint. Now let's meet the lucky man, Malay bhai.
हाय
So Malay bhai, how are you feeling?
अभी तो जाना है वहाँ पर, लेना है गाड़ी, उसके बाद ही पुलिस आएगा, एक बार घूंघट उठाने के बाद
The feeling is of next level. Let's go and take off the curtains. और
Congratulations बड़ा भाई, oh yeah.
Congratulations, bhai.
थैंक यू
3, 2, 1, go! Yeah!
A beautiful piece of art over here.
The beast.
Congratulations.
Congratulations. Peace. So this is the bike. The GV saddle stays are installed, GV, and the Zana crash guard. Time is here. Let's start. Oh! Woo!
Oh, yeah!
Cheers to versus.
Cheers to versus 650.
Three cheers to versus 650. Repeat!
Hooray!
Repeat!
Hooray!
Repeat!
Hooray! Cheers. 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 Cheers to Malay bhai and cheers to versus. ये जाम आपके नाम. So we are done with the delivery process. Cheers to Malay bhai and cheers to this Kaling riders. It's really a pretty wonderful day for him and as well as for us, because getting a bike is for a rider, it's a different feeling. It's a different you know, we get married to a bike. When you have a bike and you get a bike like super bike, you get married to a bike because you invest all your emotions into that. You spend a lot of hard-earned money into that. So thank you everyone. I guess you all have enjoyed the vlog, and cheers to everyone and cheers to you all people, and stay tuned for new exciting videos. We'll see you in the next one. Till then, peace, ride with gears, and chase your dreams.